Hi there, I'm Shahi. Welcome to Shahi's Easy English. If you are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Okay, and I'm a native speaker and English teacher. Today's lesson is going to be based on another Sherlock Holmes video in our series of Speak Like a Native, okay? So if you've already been following, you will already know that the video is linked below. Okay, so what happens? You watch my video and then you watch the video that's linked below so you can understand the expressions that are used. I will be explaining the expressions in chronological order, the order in time that they have been presented in the video. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so the first expression is, do you know what happens if you don't leave me alone? Do you know what happens if you don't leave me alone, Sherlock? This is a threat, okay? Many times it's used on TV and in the cinemas when the bully or the baddie says something. Do you know what happens to people who steal my customers? Or, you know what happens to naughty boys who don't finish their lunch? Something ridiculous like that. But it can also be used by bullies in real life. Do you know what's going to happen to you if you tell your mum about me? Do you know what's going to happen to you if you don't do my homework? These are signs that the person is being bullied and threatened. Okay. So the next one, number 2, is someday. Someday usually just means one day. One day it will happen. It's about something that you wish will happen in time. One day I'm going to have a big house and live by the beach. Someday I'm going to have a big house and live by the beach, okay? Someday. It's going to happen someday. You haven't planned it, you don't know anything about it yet, but in your mind, you decided someday it will happen. One day, okay? So number 3 is Moriarty says, I'm saving it up for something special. Something special means a special occasion. Okay, it can be, perhaps somebody's getting married. Oh, why don't you wear that dress? No, I'm saving it up for something special. Maybe I'm going to wear it at my cousin's wedding, or I'm going to wear it when I graduate. You can spend the money that you saved on the concert tickets. No, I'm saving it up for something special, not on just any old thing. So it will be something special that will happen in the future, and that person doesn't want to just spend it on any old thing. Number 4, I've been informed. Okay, I've been told. People have told me. Okay, people might say, you have a nice voice. So you might say, yeah, I've been told. Thank you. People have told me. Okay. Or, you really can't sing at all. Yeah, so I've been told. Yes, people have told me. I am aware. I do know. I've been told. Hi there, I'm Kat, and I'm here to help you with the rest of your English expressions from the video. Okay, so number 5 is I'd better be off. I'd better be off means I should go now. This is all it means. If you are talking to your friend and you meet them in town, you can say to them, okay then, I'd better be off. I should get going. I must go now. It's time for me to go. Simple as that. Okay, so number 6 is so nice to have had a proper chat. So nice to have had a proper chat means it was so nice to talk with you properly. Okay. Usually people say this to their friends when they meet with each other. Maybe they have a cup of tea or coffee, and then they go. When it's time to go, they say, so nice to have had a proper chat. Take care, see you soon, we should do it again sometime. So it's mainly used for people who often talk with each other and are friends. So number 7 is to cherish. To cherish the thought, or cherish the memory of. Surprise, he says. To cherish something is to enjoy the memory in your mind, to cherish the thought, okay? I cherish the memory of our friendship, or the time we spent together when we were small, when we were at school. I cherish the memories of us spending time together. So in my mind, I enjoy the memories. I think of it in a positive light, to cherish the thought, to enjoy it as a memory in your mind. Okay, number 8 is tinsy bit. Tinsy bit, little bit, just tiny, teeny, tinsy bit, okay? Do you think my hair looks messy? Tinsy bit, just a little bit, maybe. Okay, so you can use this for anything. Would you like some sugar in your tea? A tinsy bit, just a tiny, teeny, little bit, okay? Would you like to try some of my cake? A tinsy bit. Alright, so you can use this all the time, or you can just say a tiny bit if you don't want to say tinsy bit. Number 9 is catch you later. Okay, doesn't mean I'm going to catch you with my hands. No, you might be big. So it's see you later or talk to you later. You can use it online, and you can also use it offline with your friends or whoever it is you want to speak to. Okay, catch you later, see you later, bye. Okay, it's not bye yet. We've still got one more expression. Number 10, okay? Number 10 is to cross someone's mind, or a thought crossed your mind. It didn't cross like that, no. It means that it came to your mind and you thought about it, okay? You crossed my mind the other day when I was buying strawberries, because you like strawberries, okay? It means I was thinking of you. I was thinking of you. You crossed my mind. I thought of you that day, okay? Or the thought will have crossed your mind. I thought about something or another. To have crossed someone's mind, it means they thought of you, or a thought crosses your mind. It means you thought about something. So we have come to the end of this lovely video. I know you enjoyed it. So make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe if you didn't already, so you don't miss out on any more crazy fun, informative videos which are going to help you speak like a native, okay? And understand those weird things native speakers say to you that leave you confused and dumbfounded, shocked. Okay, so there are some more links below to help you with your English. Make sure you check them out. Okay, and next week we will have some more cool expressions, some more useful expressions to help you speak and sound like a native. Not only that, I have a new book that I will be reading and posting soon before the end of the week. This is my aim and objective. So what can you do with a book, huh? You can listen to it, you can learn new vocabulary, new expressions, and you can sleep, close your eyes and listen to it, and your brain will take it in. This is the beautiful thing about books. You can just listen to them. Anyway, I hope that you will be safe and safe from this virus. I am so concerned also. I've been reading about it in the news, and it's very sad. I hope that you are safe and you are well. So make sure that you take all the precautions you have to take, okay? Be careful and take care of yourself and your family and your loved ones. Hope to see you soon. If you have time to comment on Hello Talk or Instagram, I'd love to see you there. Take care, my lovelies, and see you soon. Bye for now.